These are the earrings that we're going to make. They're made entirely out of seed beads, which makes them nice and lightweight and easy to make. They're meant to coordinate with this necklace that I have another video for. This set is made with Toho seed beads, and these are the earrings made with Czech seed beads. So you can use either. So let's talk about the materials we're going to need. For these earrings, you're going to need 11/0 seed beads, either Toho like these, or you can also use Czech seed beads, which are slightly smaller. You'll also need 2 6 or 8 seed beads in order to connect the ear hooks with jump rings. So let's get started. I'm using a size 10 needle with 6-pound fire line. I'm going to start at the other end of my thread with a stop bead. So I feed that on and kind of loosely tie it. I start by stringing on 12 seed beads. Next, I put on 13 seed beads. 12 plus 13 is 25, so I now have 25 seed beads. And I want to go back up through all of those seed beads to form a loop. Once I've formed a loop, I no longer need my stop bead, so I can pull that off and tie a knot. Next, I want to go through the next 6 seed beads. I'll add 2 seed beads and string that on. Then I want to go through the second to last one and through the next 9 seed beads. I'll start with 6 and then 3 more. At this point, we are done with our accent colors, so we're going to switch colors. I'm going to add 4 of the outside color or main color. I'm going to skip 2 seed beads and go through the next 3, which would be the top of the earring. Again, I put on 4 seed beads of the outer color. I skip 2 and go through the next 3. At this point, I should be back at where my thread is coming out. Next, I'm going to put on 12 of the outer color and string that on. Then I want to go back up through the second to last one. Next, I put on 10 seed beads, and I want to go through these 3 before this set of 4 here. So I want to go up through these 3 in the inner loop. Now I want to go through the next 3 outer seed beads. 1, 2, and 3. Next, I want to put on 3 outer colors, a 6 or 8 seed bead, and 3 more outer colors. String that on. And I want to skip this first seed bead and go through the next 3. 1, 2, and 3. Next, I want to add 4 seed beads. I want to skip these inner 3 and go down the rest of the length of this side. That's going through 10 seed beads. Now I want to go up the other side. All 10 of those seed beads. I'll add 4 seed beads, and I want to go through all of the seed beads on this side until I'm at just before the large seed bead. Now at this step, I kind of want to turn this more into a V so that this large seed bead is sticking out. So I'll pull it out a little bit, I'll skip over it, and go down the side of, let's see, about 6 seed beads. And when I pull that, I kind of want to make sure the seed bead pulls out a little bit as I tighten it to form more of a V. So I want that pretty tight. From here, coming out of this seed bead, I want to go back through the 3 in the inner loop, the side of the inner loop. Now I'm coming out of the same place the original thread is coming out. I'm going to go feed it through to the other side. So they're both coming out of this seed bead in the inner loop. And here's where I can tie a knot. And this is pretty much the finished component, so we just need to snip the threads and add the ear hook. Here I've snipped the ends and I'm ready to open my jump ring, feed it through the large seed bead, add the ear hook, and close it. And that is the finished earring.